welcome back to my channel. I just thought I'd do a different video today to do an unboxing with you for Amanda Bloom's Little Box of Crochet. I've subscribed to this for quite a long time now, and it is a little treat to myself every other month. She used to do the small boxes that were monthly, but she's now gone to a much bigger box. You can see, well, you will be able to see in a minute when I take the lid off what's inside. So she thought she'd go to bigger projects, so you still pay the same amount monthly and you get your box every other month. So I'll leave a link to Amanda's website in the description box below, and this is what the inside looks like. So you get this huge box, and it comes really nicely wrapped. It's ripped a little bit there because I've already had a look at it because I couldn't wait. So the best thing to do is grab yourself a coffee. I've got a cappuccino this morning, so grab yourself a nice coffee and we'll get down to having a look at what's inside the box. It comes really nicely packaged and you get some really lovely goodies inside. So this month we have it's a little Make Arcade fish brooch craft kit, which is lovely. It's coming up to autumn and that time of year now where people are thinking about Christmas presents, so that would be a really nice gift to give to somebody if you didn't want to make it yourself. Or you could make it and then gift the make, or you could just keep it for yourself. But that's beautiful. So there's that one. You then get the book. The booklet, it's quite sizable and there's quite a lot in it. So, and it shows you what the project is. Now this box is designed, this project rather, is designed by Kate Eastwood, who is Just Pootling on Instagram. She is a crochet guru designer. She's absolutely wonderful. So I'm sure you all know about her anyway, but she is one of my all-time favourite designers. So she's designed this month's project, so we'll have a quick look at that in a moment. Then you get a card which is designed specially for Little Box of Crochet, and you usually get a lovely book. So for any stationery lovers out there, me included, you get a lovely book and it's just plain, so that's brilliant for sketching, just writing, doodling, whatever you want to do with it. So that's really lovely too. We've got a little purse which is oilcloth and it's absolutely gorgeous. It reminds me of Kath Kidston actually, but that's beautiful. It's a gorgeous little coin purse that you could have for your bag. We then move on to, we have a beautiful stitch marker. I don't know whether it's picking it up. It's rose gold, the clasp, and it's got a gorgeous little crystal. I'll see if it will, if I can just get it zoomed in a little bit. And that's the make, the person that's designed it, and it's beautiful. That's stunning. So there's that, and then we get on to the good bits, which is the actual yarn. Now, Little Box of Crochet use this company, Yarn and Colours. They have a whole range of colours, and it's a really lovely cotton yarn to work with. I've worked with it for quite some time now, and this month's box obviously is the project. It's a neutral coloured box, which is my absolute favourite. I do like colour, but I really do like neutral colours. I think that it just goes with anything that you have then. So you have 50 gram balls of yarn in 2 different colours, and then you've got a gorgeous crochet hook in rose. The tip is rose gold, which is beautiful, and on the bottom of it, if you can see it there, it has an extra stitch marker included, which is just a really brilliant idea. I love that. And that's made by Yarn and Colours, their own brand crochet hook, which is just lovely. So we've got our usual darning needle on the felt ball, which is a really good idea to keep hold of everything, so you don't lose your needle. And then this is a no rinse delicate wash Rapture, and it's jasmine. So that's lovely. So you can wash your yarn projects, which is really nice. That's lovely. So we're at the bottom now. So I can't wait to get started with this project. So the book is, I'll just do a quick flick through because obviously I don't want to give too much away. You always have the illustrations are just beautiful, but you have like a little welcome section and what's in this month's box. So Amanda takes you through everything. There's the projects, which is just beautiful. I just love that. And then you go into the pattern, lots of pictures. If you're anything like me and you have to have a visual, if you're a visual learner, then having the photographs is just really good. And then it really, she does really guide you and take you through all of it. And there's Kate, the lovely Kate. She's just lovely. She's got some, and she designed some wonderful things. And then you meet the designer of the stitch marker, I think, possibly, or is it a spot? Oh, it's a spotlight. Yes, it's the stitch marker there, look. So that gives you a little piece about the designer, which is lovely to see. A lovely recipe, that's nice. And then the Gallery of Gorgeousness, which she includes every month for people that post their makes on Amanda's Instagram feed. So that's it. It's absolutely beautiful. Once again, this has got to be my most favourite one, I think, which is why I wanted to start my series of unboxing with this one, because I think it's just beautiful. So as I've said, I'll leave the links to Amanda's website below, and if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to ask anything and I'll help you all I can. So thanks for watching. See you next time.